Zal and zo. Zal and zo. They are very confusing, even by pronouncing zal, just like this, zal and zo. Za. These are two letters which are confusing to the beginner in Arabic alphabets. Are you also confused? Let's move to the video. I will help you in this video how to pronounce and how to differentiate between them. Welcome to my channel Ever Best Arabic Advisor. And if you are a newcomer at my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel if you want to learn Arabic in bite-sized lesson so you can learn it thoroughly. Zal is a soft letter and Za is a sharp letter. Zal is pronounced from the tip of the tongue, but it is in the group of Liswiya. As Za is also pronounced from the tip of the tongue, but it touches the lower tone incisor and it is in the group of Safiria. What a group of Liswiya and what a group of Safiria. If you want to learn, comment me in the box. I will teach you that grouping of the Arabic alphabets also, inshallah. Let's move toward the words. Through the words, we can practice and understand their phonics. Zal. Pronounce it by touching the tip of the tongue to the upper two incisor lower end. Softly. Zal. And za by touching the tip of the tongue to the lower two incisor inner plate. Little hardly, so make it sharp and whistle. Z. Za. V. Za. Vel. Zel. Vel. Zel. It has whistle and you have to make it this. If you are not making the whistle while reading za, you are confusing the za with the wall. So whistle is a must. Z, zel. 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 Zel meaning to despised. And zal is delicious. If you are learning Arabic to become pro, do practice these words along with me, make your notes and also learn Arabic, not only the in this video similar sounding confusing letters, but also by that meanings of the words you can increase your vocabulary. So reading while doing one practice, the other will be help you. Well to despised and zel to delicious. Zara walk along. Zara walk along. And zara to cultivate. If you want these words and the meaning as a notes, visit my page at my website. You will find the link of that page of my website in the description box, where you can find it in a written form. You can make notes easily. Zara walk along. Zara to cultivate. Zakhar store. Zakhar store. Zakhar to be proud of. To be proud of. As to seek refuge. As to seek refuge. As to be in need of. As Zaki smart. Zaki smart. Zaki righteous. Zaki Zal Zara Zahar Az Zaki Zal ذرع, ذخر, عذ, ذكي. For understanding the difference, one more thing is you have to understand the letters. First, you understand the letters. If you have not go through all the letters properly, just by reading the alphabet, asa is not the going really learning of the Arabic alphabets. Do know what is the actual word stand for, letter stand for, how it pronounced, what is the difference, and what is the unique quality it has. So for this, you must go to the letters. I have made all it videos on my YouTube channel and also on my website. Do visit the both. When you know the basics, how what the letters are, then you can understand the phonics well, and then the words, and later on the statements and the sentences. See you then in the in the next video with a new content. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Assalamu alaikum.